Hello everyone. Today's question is find the minimum point on the curve y is equal to x square minus 8x plus 5 without differentiation. Some questions we can find with the help of the derivatives, but that is a quadratic function. And we know that in a quadratic function, the vertex is the minimum or maximum point, depending upon the shape of the graph. Okay. First of all, we will find the vertex. To find the vertex, there are two methods. The first one is x is equal to the minus b over 2a. So I have to solve this one. To find the x coordinate of the vertex is you have to use x is equal to the minus b over 2a. So that becomes minus 2 as it is. This point is 8. So minus 8 the b divided by 2 times a. So I will get minus 2 minus plus. That becomes 8 by 4. That is 2. Now the second one is I have to put this value in the equation. So I will get the value of 5 by substituting this one 2 times 2 square minus 8 times 2 and plus 5. I will use the different color over here. Suppose the color is just red. It becomes 2 to the 4 to the 8, if I'm not wrong, minus 16 plus 5. So I will get 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 13 minus 16 becomes minus 3. If I'm not wrong over here, so the vertex becomes 2 and minus 3. So this is vertex is called the minimum point. Why it is called the minimum point? Because the shape of the graph, depending upon the coefficient of x is U-shaped graph, so that point is called vertex. Thank you.